Trading Tips Part 4. Commodity Channel Index. This forex trading strategy is based on the CCI. That's Commodity Channel Index Indicator. The CCI works best on the higher time frames such as the daily or the weekly charts. Here we have the Australian dollar to US dollar chart on the daily time frame. Now plot a 5-period exponential moving average in yellow color, as shown in this window. Here's what you get. The 5 EMA in yellow color. Now apply the 8-period exponential moving average in aqua, or blue color. Here is how it looks like on your chart. Now apply the 28-period CCI as shown in this window. And here it is. You will notice that there are two levels, 100 and minus 100. When the CCI line crosses the minus 100 level and goes up, the market goes up. And when the CCI line crosses the 100 level and goes down, the market goes down. Here you can see I have placed a yellow vertical line where the CCI line has crossed the minus 100 level and gone up. So at the open of the next candle, buy at 0.7555 and place the stop loss 5 pips below the most recent low, which is below the red doji candle at 0.7496. Next we get the exit signal when the CCI crosses and goes below the 100 level, and we make a profit of 483 pips. Please subscribe to my channel as I am going to bring in some more easy and profitable forex trading strategies.